Use your left hand. Use your left hand.
Taylor, you like distractions.
She does.
Again. Can you do it again, Dana?
Dana shot.
Do it again, Dana.
And Taylor thought it was hilarious.
Okay, go stand them up and I'll load your boat for you.
Okay, Daddy's gonna do it.
Good.
Daddy's gonna do
You
it.
gonna try shooting it?
Here, there's a block right here. You can just use a block.
Daddy's gonna shoot it. Hey, watch out. Okay, you gonna set it up?
Yeah, just use a block.
Everybody. I'm gonna try and shoot it, okay? Don't sad. Here we go.
Okay, get out of the way.
Oh, I missed. Hold on, I got one more. Okay, Dad, I'm gonna do one more. Daddy's gonna get it this time. You know it's gonna bend. Okay, I'm gonna try a shoe. How about a shoe? Maybe we should go.
Not a good idea.